Mbunge wa ISIOLO South Mohamed Tupena ugete thina ya ithaka bia kurithia nkamira ire ikujairwa MIANKENE jwa ISIOLO na tigania na igembe itibati kwithirwa irio ni untu akari na kinya atongeria babati kwaraniria na ithaka bia rithwa bakariwa na mutaratara akiaria augete ibithairwa bikiaraniria na tharaka na bakarithiriria ithaka biao na gutina thina.
Na emwe Ntaira nene kurigiria ndwa cia kagito akagite gatigati ka miru na rithi bakumarotero ISIOLO ikwaraniria bobo nabo nebuge bobunga kumarotero ISIOLO South Mohamed Tubi oro KUUGA kainge amiri bedro bagiatia kurankamira ciano ni untu bobo burubo karande goro bakedro bakeraniria bira binyangite kona birei bikedro bierewa.
Sisi ni jirani bwana, hakuna siku wa Meru watahama, hakuna siku hata ISIOLO watahama. So livestock ikikuja wakati ukame, it should be accepted to a certain extent. Tunakilipa compensation. What's wrong with that? Compensation tukilipa mpaka uwe. No. Mpaka uwe. Why do you kill livestock? Why do you kill livestock? Why don't you just be together? Sisi tukae chini, how many livestock yako ilikuliwa? I'm saying from ISIOLO South constituency, we have the same problems and we are bordering Tharaka on the other side. And we are bordering Igembe on this side. And we normally hire the farms when they are dry for our livestock during the dry season. Hire them, clear them, when it rains, we go back.
Tubi tumura nkoroki, akawa kinendo alishidru ikiambiria bobo ibatere kudru ikiambiria, na atongire katika nteresho ijere.
Viongozi, I'm asking my fellow colleagues, members of parliament, ISIOLO Meru. Wale wa Igembe kuna moja lete tu, I don't know, hii alare tumo and huu mzee wa Loveu. Let's come back together, we are neighbors. Pana mambo ya kuua mnyama, unaua mnyama unapeleka wapi? What benefit do you get from there? Sisi tuongee kama mnyama amekukosea.
Kenge tubiarendete kwa gitumi kinene arithi bankamira kumarotero ISIOLO bethero beto ithia nkamira cio mundene rotero tigania ikwithira kuma karaja munde yatwirire ndethia ende amiru baragarora wazo na kumethia ya kurimaga.
ISIOLO Meru on the northern side, there is what is called northern grazing area. Northern grazing area. The northern grazing NGA, in the previous constitution it was northern grazing area. Northern grazing area are the Tiganias who own livestock. And the upper part of the Merus are crop growers, agriculturists. In the new dispensation, that area which is northern grazing area, which we used to, the people of ISIOLO and the people of Meru used to live together, coexist, because they are all pastoralists. They were all pastoralists, and they are all pastoralists even today. Land tenure system was changed by the Meru without following the right procedures, without following the due process of law.
Nke reporter Antosharu TV Weekendi kumaja kingina ngine kifuke Nairobi mbita Boniface Mungera.